Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the max level katana in Ghost of Tsushima. To begin, you will want to focus on upgrading your katana at swordsmiths found throughout the island. These skilled artisans are key to enhancing your blade. You will need to gather specific materials like supplies, iron, steel, and gold. These resources are crucial for each of the 4 upgrade levels, so start collecting them early by exploring and completing quests to ensure a smooth progression. Gathering the right materials is paramount for a max-level katana. Supplies are abundant. You will find them by looting enemies and exploring every corner of the map. Iron and steel are commonly found in Mongol-controlled areas, so make sure to liberate those camps. Gold, being the rarest, is usually reserved for larger strongholds and as rewards for completing pivotal missions. Dedicate time to exploration. It is the best way to ensure you have enough resources for all 4 upgrade tiers. Once you have gathered your materials, head to a swordsmith in any safe settlement. They will be able to perform the upgrades. Each of the 4 upgrade levels demands a greater quantity of materials, so be prepared for the investment. Fully upgrading your katana will dramatically increase its damage, allowing you to cut through enemies with ease. This final upgrade is a game changer, unlocking your blade's full power and making you an unstoppable force against any foe. To truly master the way of the samurai, prioritize your katana upgrades. While other gear is important, your blade is your most consistent tool. Combine your maxed-out katana with strategic use of ghost weapons and the right armor for a truly devastating combat style. Remember to continuously practice your parries and dodges. These skills, paired with a powerful katana, will make you incredibly efficient. A fully upgraded katana is your key to overcoming any challenge, turning even the most formidable foes into manageable encounters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.